Good morning, students. Today we will solve worksheet 7 of your practice book. Clear? Now complete the following letter by writing correct articles, that is a, an and the. So we will read and we will fill. Dear Saloni, hi, I have just come back from dash exciting. Here with exciting we will use here an. Clear? Exciting vacation in Belgium. Dash city has, the city has changed a lot with lot in dash in the recent years there are a lot of new buildings in the center of the city. Clear? I don't like the new buildings. हमने buildings की पहले बात करी तो here the. Clear? Still I feel fascinated. I have been to Belgium before also and I visited dash places. I visited the places I know. Even these have changed. Dash old fort and old fort. In the south of the city has been restored. There are now dash a lot of fast food joints near dash central market near the central market. However, despite all modernization, Belgium's natural beauty is still intact. There are lots of forests and parks. You can escape from dash city from the city and you feel you are in dash countryside in the countryside. And what's the best is in the evening, with evening we will use the there is so much to do. Clear? You had loved being here, come with me next year. Till it's clear to you? Now worksheet number 8. Now here sentences are given to you and by using these sentences you have to frame story, that is tiger cat. First of all, before creating the story you can put number over here. Now numbers I have mentioned you. Clear? Like first of all, mouse lived in woods near our house, so number 1 will be there. You can arrange these sentences in proper order. After that it will be easier for you to create the story. Clear? Number 2 will be one day mouse strayed into our garden, and number 3 tiger. In this way you can note down. Here I have mentioned the numbers. You can note down the numbers and after that it will be easy for you to create the story. Now the name of the story is Tiger the Cat. सबसे पहले देखो mouse. With mouse we will use here a mouse. ठीक है? You have to use. now अगर आप देखोगे ना, give proper order and write the story in the space provided. Make changes in the language. अब changes हमने करने हैं because हमारा articles का topic है, तो that type of changes will be there. So first of all, a mouse lived in the woods. यहाँ पर सिर्फ woods है तो क्या आएगा? in the woods. ठीक है? near our house. After this, one day what happened? द माउस. अब माउस की पहले में बात कर चुके हैं तो यहाँ पर क्या यूज करेंगे? द माउस स्ट्रेड इनटू आवर गार्डन. ठीक है ना? टाइगर आर कैट लव्स चेजिंग माइस. ठीक है? व्हेन ही सॉ, अब यहाँ पे देखो फिर द माउस ही थॉट इट वॉज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी. अपॉर्चुनिटी के साथ हम क्या यूज करेंगे? एन. ठीक है ना? नॉट टू be wasted. Tiger pretended to be sleeping in the shade of a tall tree in the center of the garden. The mouse came closer and closer. ठीक है? Tiger got up and stalked the mouse. The mouse hid under the foliage in the garden. Tiger slunk behind the bushes. Tiger was about to pounce on the mouse. It shouted, No, tiger, no. Tiger looked disgusted, comma, and went back to the place that was his favorite. The mouse, frightened, ran all the way back to the woods. Clear? So this is clear to you. You have to make necessary grammatical changes. First of all, arrange these sentences in proper order, and then it will be easy for you to create the story and make necessary changes wherever required, as I told you. Now next is worksheet number 9. ठीक है? Read these sentences taken from the unit people at work, and now you have to do this. Rewrite the following sentences using commas. What you have to do? Use commas, full stops, question marks, and inverted commas. First is, you should go to bed now, the matron said. अब देखो, the matron said. This word should be written in inverted commas. You. Inverted comma start from here. Go to the bed now. After now, put comma and inverted comma, close. The matron said here, full stop. Next is again start inverted comma. There lives a beautiful white cat in this house. यहाँ पे comma, inverted comma, close. Whispered Andy, full stop. Next is, are you practicing for the match next week? अब here interrogative sentence is here na. So first of all we will start inverted comma. Now at last here question mark will be there, and we will close inverted commas. Asked Raghu's mother. Next is start inverted comma. Who has put so many frogs in my room? Again it is interrogative sentence, question mark, inverted comma, close. Said Mr. Wells, full stop. Clear this worksheet? Now worksheet number 10. Read the poem given below, put in the missing inverted commas. Now you have to do it yourself. You have to put just inverted commas. Okay. Now next, filling the blanks by writing appropriate article in each space. Write, put this sign wherever it is not required. Now dash young scientist. One is done for you. A young scientist called Frankenstein started trying to create life. Now again with life no, so here this sign should be used. He used dash electricity. With electricity no, because we cannot count electricity na? To do this, after a year of struggle, he succeeded, but he created dash monster. With monster, a monster. अब now monster is repeating, so here there should be there. Was very large and ugly. People hated and feared him. Dash monster again, the wanted love, but he learned to hate. Then one day he killed dash boy. He killed a boy. Frankenstein was in dash state, in a state of shock. He realized it was dash error, with error an error, to have created such dash creature, such a creature. He regretted having wasted his time over dash useless creature. अब creature के पहले में बात कर चुके हैं, तो here the useless creature. ठीक है. Now again words are given to you. You have to arrange these words in proper manner to create meaningful sentence. Like Ravi was, अब eldest के साथ क्या यूज करेंगे? The eldest and so a favorite of the family. ठीक है. Next, Nina was a 6.5 years younger than him. After this, Sonal, put comma after this, who was the second born, comma, was a big bully. Next is, Nina was an intelligent girl, comma, but Sonal was a boy without common sense. ठीक है. So it's all up to here. Hope you understood and keep practicing.